Joking! Joking!
So.
Okay, so hey guys, you are welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick hairstyle on this natural hair, but I'm going to follow a YouTuber's steps because she's the first person that I saw do it POV. So this is, I don't know what the hairstyle, it's called a ninja bun. A ninja bun. So I'm going to do that. I've got my mirror here. So what we're gonna need for today's hairstyle, my gel, and this is argan oil. This is a conditioner. I updated my conditioners and stuff that I use. I'm also going to be using this paper strip that I use, I recently got to hold down when I gel my hair down. Okay, let's start. Okay, so we start by wetting our hair. We're going to work our hair in sections. I have sections in my hair, as she said. Sprinkle some water on it. So I have two different types of hair gel. I'm gonna start with the Eco Styler for the inside, and this is like a more firmer gel, so I'm just gonna start. That's the Cream of Nature Smoothing Edge Glue, so I'm gonna use that one more around my edges and the last build up, because I don't want to have too much sticky glue within the hair. I hate hair gel, so okay, I'm going to spray my conditioner around my hair. Okay, so I did the second part. My hair is pretty thick, okay, so I'm going to spray a bit more water onto these parts. Why is my water disappointing me like that? And some more conditioner, because our teacher says so. That is my edge control. I'm taking this much. I think that's all I'm gonna be needing. So I'm going to go in. Maybe I might need a bit more. I said now my battery is like super low, so I'm kind of nervous. Okay guys, so this is probably the entire point of the video. This is the point where we put the hair onto our head, okay? So this is the expression here. just going to go ahead and go with it like this. My hair is a lot bigger than the tutorial I'm watching, so I had to like double put it in the bun. That way it just becomes smaller and I don't have to braid it. Okay, the thing I don't like about this expression here is that it's not stable. It's always trying to move. Okay, let me try to explain what she just said. So basically, after we did this whole attachment from extension to your head, the hair was already split into two when you got it. So you put one side away, like this. Oh no, right. Yeah. So you put one side away like this, and then you take this side, split it into two. Then this is the part I'm going to use for the bang. So basically what is happening is I'm gonna have to test if okay, I've forgotten. This is why I don't pass my exam. Okay guys, so the student is back. Okay, so basically this is the one half of the hair. Okay, we took one half. We're just gonna do this, fold it in such a way that okay, then I'm gonna hold it with a bobbin pin. All I had to do was to just do this and pin it like I have done after 100 years. And then we're going to pick this bun. I can't even see what I'm doing first of all, so this is a dangerous game. Okay, so I went back to cut my hair to my desired length. I think I have more on my bangs than she does, plus I brought mine up a little bit. I wanted to be able to see my eyes because like I'm already blind, so okay, so this is how it looks on the side, this is how it looks on the side. The two things I did wrong was I cut mine too short, but then that's what I preferred. I want to be able to see my face. And then the front part of my bangs was like a little bit too heavy. It had more hair there than her own. Also, I didn't have as much gel in my hair as she did in hers. Again, I hate gel, but yeah. So this is probably the most gel I've used in my hair, but I still managed to lay flat, which is a good thing. So overall I kind of like the way it looked. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any hairstyles that you think I should try out. Let me know if you think this hairstyle was a success or not. Okay, so I'm going to link the video in the description box, the original video, to the YouTuber that I know her last name is Maduke, but I cannot say her first name and I don't want to say it wrong, so I'm gonna link her video, then you guys can watch it as well. But I kind of like how it turned out. I'll probably keep it on for a couple of days, and then I'll be on to the next. Okay, so again, like I said, she explains in depth what exactly you should do. So if you want like her exact one, just check her video out. I don't know if she's gonna see this video whenever, which century we're in, but yeah, it did go well for me. Kind of look cute. But yeah, so there's more information in the description box. I have my social media there. Let's get interactive and just let me know what you want to see on my channel next. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share, and let me know your thoughts. Okay, take care. I'll see you guys again. Bye.